I've got a job for you. What is wrong with him? Oh! Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Wow, such a nice car. Oh no! There's a fire over there! Don't worry, I'm here. Oh! Help me! I need your help. I'll help you. Hey, I'm here.
Hey!
Wonderful.
Yeah!
Oh my God! Have a good day. Wow! So beautiful! Okay, let's go. Slow down. It's very dangerous. Keep going. Keep going. Oh no! Ow! Oh my God! What should we do now? Don't worry, here I come. Are you all right? Be careful. Very good. Yeah, made it. You were great. Thank you.